Hey guys, and welcome to the NT News, and thank you for following once again the tech news with me. In our first story for today, maybe, I say maybe, you will have a legitimate reason to spend $200 on headphones. Now, I'm not saying that it's a very good idea to spend $200 on headphones. I mean, the most expensive headphones I would buy would be like $100, and even then I would be hesitant, but whatever. The thing is, HP has released, not really released, but they were at Gamescom, so they have a pair of headphones which will cool down your ears. Now that's very cool, because it's very cool in terms of temperature and in terms of coolness factor. Because, you know, if you have long gaming sessions or, you know, watching series sessions and whatever, these headphones will be very comfortable, and HP claims that your hands will first get hot, not your ears, because of the keyboard that you're tapping on if you are playing games. So that's a very solid claim. I'm waiting for those headphones to be released. In our second story for today, you may have heard of the Surface Go. Now you may have wondered why it doesn't have an ARM processor in it, and it conversely has an Intel Pentium processor in. That's because Intel apparently convinced Microsoft to use their Pentium processors in the Surface Go. Now, in my experience, ARM processors don't have so much power to power Surface Go, even if it is an entry-level tablet. That's my experience with ARM processors. But I mean, if a Snapdragon 855 or whatever it's gonna be called comes out and it has scores on benchmarks and real performance comparable to an A11 or A12 chip from Apple, then why not use it for Surfaces as well? So yeah, ARM for the future. Third and last story for today is really tame. Samsung is apparently releasing a very budget smartphone. It will start at around $100. It will have a standard definition display. It will have Android Go, which is not stock Android. Man, Samsung really wants to stick to that Samsung Experience skin. No. It's not stock Android. It's the skin from Samsung, but with lighter apps. And I say to this, come on. Stock Android would make such a budget device so much better. If you want to make budget devices, Samsung, just go with stock Android. Come on. Like Xiaomi, even Xiaomi, which is an internet company for the most part, has put Android One, which is stock Android for the most part, on some of its devices, like the Xiaomi Mi A2, the Xiaomi Mi A1. I mean, it's a good thing to do for budget devices. Now, I wouldn't recommend to buy this device even if you are at a budget of $100. Like, spend $50 more and get a Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. I mean, Xiaomi is the king of budget phones. I don't know why you would buy a Samsung at this price. I mean, they have worse processors, they have it's a worse experience overall. The only real reason I could think of to buy a Samsung budget phone is for the customer service, but even then, come on, like, a budget phone will last for 1-2 years, that's it. So just take care of it, come on. So those were the tech news for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, like, dislike if you hate this stupid show. Share this video with your friends if they want to catch up with the tech news. And regardless, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.